Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete DoorDash app account on app. So for this, first of all, you have to open the DoorDash application, and then on the home page, you have to tap on this account in the bottom right corner. From here, you need to scroll all the way down to the bottom and then tap on this frequently asked questions. It will take you on this page. Over here, you need to tap on customer support, the first option. Once you are on this screen, scroll down and tap on this chat with us in the DoorDash app. It will then ask you to sign in your DoorDash account using your login credentials. It may even ask you to verify your identity through your phone or email. Once you are logged in, you will be redirected to this page and a chat screen will come up. Next, tap on Issues with DoorDash Order, last option, and once you are connected to customer support officially, briefly explain your issue. You can type something along the lines of, "Hi, I decided to close my DoorDash account, but despite multiple efforts, I have not been able to proceed with the account deletion process. I will be more than thankful if you can delete my DoorDash account on my behalf." And then they will help you to delete your DoorDash account. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.